Friends, I'm going to do the experiment on inflating the balloon using kitchen ingredient. Now the materials required is water bottle, then 1 cup of vinegar, funnel, balloon, baking soda. Now we want to add 1/4 cup of the vinegar into the water bottle. Then using funnel, we want to fill the baking soda into the balloon. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then tie the water bottle with the balloon. Close by using the rubber band. Now you see that the balloon will inflate. The science behind this experiment is when soda powder is reacted with the vinegar or lemon juice to liberate carbon dioxide that inflate the balloon. Thank you. Everyone, I'm going to do the experiment on the soap propellant boat. Now the materials required is dishwash liquid, then water, plate, and cut the boat like this in the paper. Then first want to pour the water into the plate. Then place the boat in the water. Using toothpick, take this liquid and put some in boat. Now you see that the boat will propel. This is because of liquid always moves from a lower surface tension to the higher surface tension. In this soap has a much lower surface tension than the water. So this pushes out from the notch into back of the boat. See like this. Thank you. I'm going to do the experiment on water rainbow. The material required is 2 beakers, 1 tall glass, then 2 food colors, then sugar, warm water, then needle, syringe. First, number this as 1 and 2. Take 2 tablespoons of sugar and add into the first beaker. Then add 4 tablespoons of sugar into the second beaker. Then pour the warm water into the beakers. Then stir it well. Then add the food color. Stir it well. Then pour the second beaker solution into the glass. With the help of syringe, take a first beaker solution and pour into the glass. On pouring to the glass, be slowly and carefully. You see here it forms two different layers. Down is yellow color, up is red color. These two different layers forms because of the density of the sugar. In first solution we add only the 2 spoon of the sugar. Here we add 4 spoon of sugar. So it forms a density greater at bottom, then lesser density at the top. So it forms a 2 different layers. Thank you.